Welcome back to the Tell Me More Now channel. In this informative video, we explore the fascinating concept of using your mind for healing. If you're eager to tap into the incredible capabilities of your own mind and enhance your overall well-being, this video is a must-watch. Using your mind for healing involves harnessing the power of your thoughts and beliefs to positively impact your physical and mental well-being. Here are some suggestions on how to use your mind for healing. Subscribe to be notified of new videos on health and wellness. 1. Positive visualization. Visualize a positive outcome related to your health. Create mental images of yourself being healthy and vibrant. This can help reduce stress and improve your overall mood. 2. Mind-body connection. Recognize the interconnectedness of your mind and body. Develop an awareness of how your thoughts and emotions can influence your physical health. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can enhance this connection. 3. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to challenge negative thoughts and promote a healing mindset. Repeat statements that affirm your well-being and resilience, reinforcing a positive internal dialogue. 4. Deep breathing and relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing and relaxation exercises to manage stress. Deep breaths activate the body's relaxation response, reducing stress hormones and promoting a sense of calm conducive to healing. 5. Mindful eating. Be present and mindful while eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and experience of your food. This promotes healthier eating habits and a more balanced relationship with food. 6. Cognitive restructuring. Identify and challenge negative thought patterns. Replace negative thoughts with more positive and constructive ones. This can alleviate anxiety and contribute to a more optimistic outlook. 7. Placebo effect. Acknowledge the potential power of the placebo effect, where belief in the effectiveness of a treatment can lead to real physiological changes. While not a replacement for evidence-based medicine, a positive mindset can enhance the effectiveness of treatments. 8. Mindful movement. For example, yoga. Engage in mindful movement practices, such as yoga or Tai Chi. These activities combine physical movement with breath awareness and mental focus, promoting overall well-being and stress reduction. 9. Gratitude practice. Cultivate a habit of gratitude. Regularly express gratitude for positive aspects of your life. Gratitude has been linked to improved mental health and can positively influence your overall well-being. 10. Biofeedback. Explore biofeedback techniques that provide real-time information about physiological processes like heart rate or muscle tension. This information can help you gain more control over these processes through mental focus. 11. Hypnosis and guided imagery. Consider hypnosis or guided imagery sessions for relaxation and healing. These techniques involve focused attention and suggestion, potentially influencing your perception of pain and promoting a healing environment. 12. Power of intention. Set positive intentions for your health and well-being. This involves focusing your thoughts and energy on desired outcomes, fostering a sense of purpose and direction. 13. Social support. Recognize the healing power of social connections. Engage with a supportive network of friends and family, as positive social interactions contribute to mental and emotional well-being. 14. Laughter therapy. Embrace laughter as a form of therapy. Laughter releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, promoting an overall sense of well-being and potentially boosting the immune system. 15. Mindful sleep practices. Develop mindful sleep habits. Create a calming bedtime routine. Practice relaxation techniques, and foster a positive sleep environment to improve the quality of your sleep, supporting overall healing. Remember, healing is a journey, and your mind is a valuable companion along the way. By using these techniques consistently, you can tap into the hidden power within you and unlock your full healing potential. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment. Until our next video on similar interesting and useful information, stay well.